Okay, so I'm taking out the starter of this 2012 Honda Civic. So probably the same like 2006 to like 2015, if I'm not mistaken. They're almost identical. Um, so all the videos I see on YouTube, they take out the upper bolt. Of course, they take out the wheel first. The upper bolt of the starter, they take it from this angle right here. I don't know if you see it. It's kind of tight right there. Right there's the starter. It's just kind of tight. I had a hard time doing that. I wasn't successful taking out the bolt. It was pretty hard. I don't know. It was pretty tough to take out the bolt. So what I did was, I followed another video. Okay, let me go under the car. I followed another video. So I already taken out the lower bolt. For others on YouTube, they showed how to take out the lower bolt. They put in a 14mm socket with an extension. Probably this one's like 8-inch extension. Put a ratchet right here. Attach the ratchet right here. Goes to the pulley, and then take it out. It's pretty hard. It's pretty tough for me to take out the bolt. I don't know like what the torque figures are, but I did another. For me to make it easier, what I did was I put the ratchet coming from the top of the engine. Attach this wrench right here, and then I just push the wrench towards the firewall. It's way easier, and the bolt got freely out. And now I hope this video helps. Thank you guys.